OpenText Silk Central Online Training. What is OpenText Silk Central and how does it enhance test management? OpenText Silk Central is a comprehensive test management platform designed to streamline and enhance the process of software testing throughout the software development lifecycle. It provides a centralized environment for managing tests, test execution, and reporting. Here's how it enhances test management. Centralized test management. Silk Central consolidates all testing activities in a single platform, allowing teams to manage test cases, requirements, defects, and test plans in one place. This helps to maintain visibility and control over testing processes. Collaboration and communication. The platform enables teams to collaborate effectively by providing shared access to testing resources and reports. It facilitates communication among testers, developers, and business stakeholders, ensuring that everyone is on the same page regarding test results and quality assurance goals. Automated test execution. Silk Central supports the integration with various test automation frameworks, such as Selenium, Silk Test, and others, enabling automated test execution. This saves time and resources while ensuring consistent, repeatable tests are executed across multiple platforms. Real-time reporting and analytics. Silk Central offers powerful reporting capabilities that allow teams to track test execution status, defect trends, and test coverage. Real-time dashboards and detailed reports help decision-makers assess the quality of the software and prioritize areas that need attention. End-to-end traceability. The platform ensures traceability from requirements through to defects, tests, and results. This helps to maintain alignment between business requirements and the testing process, ensuring that the right features are being tested and validated. Integration with CI/CD tools. Silk Central integrates with popular continuous integration continuous deployment CI/CD tools like Jenkins and others, enabling seamless automation and test execution in modern DevOps pipelines. This ensures that testing is part of the continuous development process. Scalability and flexibility. The platform is designed to scale with your needs. Whether managing small projects or large, complex test environments, Silk Central can handle a variety of test management needs and adapt to different methodologies, agile, waterfall, etc. How can you set up and configure projects in OpenText Silk Central? To set up and configure projects in OpenText Silk Central, follow these steps. 1. Access Silk Central. Log in to the Silk Central interface with the appropriate user credentials. 2. Create a new project. Go to the Projects tab. Click on New Project. Select the project type based on the requirements, example, web, mobile, etc. Enter the project name, description, and other necessary details like project category and project visibility, public or private. 3. Configure project settings. General settings. Configure key settings such as project language, time zone, and other system-wide preferences. Version control integration. Set up version control systems, example Git, SVN, for managing source code or test artifacts within the project. Test framework integration. Integrate the desired test framework, example JUnit, TestNG, or Silk Test. 4. Define project permissions. Under permissions, specify user roles such as administrator, project manager, or tester, and assign them the appropriate permissions for accessing or modifying project elements. You can create custom roles or use predefined ones. 5. Define test suites and test cases. Once the project is created, organize tests by creating test suites. A test suite contains a set of test cases that can be run together. Define individual test cases, including test steps, expected results, and any dependencies. 6. Configure test execution. Link test runs to the test cases within the project. You can set the execution environment and schedule test runs. Define the execution parameters, such as specifying platforms, example Windows, Linux, or browsers for web tests. 7. Set up reporting. Configure project-specific test reporting and metrics. Set up dashboards and notifications to track the progress of test executions. You can create custom reports based on test run results, including defect tracking and performance metrics. 8. Integrate with CI/CD tools, optional. For automated testing, integrate Silk Central with CI/CD tools like Jenkins or Azure DevOps to automatically trigger test execution based on code changes or deployment events. 9. Test and validate project setup. Run an initial test to ensure that the project setup works as expected, including test execution, reporting, and integration with version control systems. What are the key features of test case management in OpenText Silk Central? OpenText Silk Central offers comprehensive test case management capabilities designed to streamline the software testing process. Some of the key features include test case creation and management. Silk Central allows users to create, organize, and manage test cases. It supports reusable test case templates, making it easy to maintain consistency across different projects. Version control. It enables versioning of test cases, ensuring that users can track changes, revert to previous versions, and maintain an accurate history of test case modifications. Test execution management. Test cases can be executed manually or automatically. Silk Central provides an execution environment for different types of testing, including functional, performance, and regression testing. Test case reusability. Silk Central supports the reuse of test cases, allowing you to create modular test cases that can be applied across multiple testing scenarios or projects, saving time and effort. Test data management. The platform allows for effective management of test data, including the ability to use different data sets for running tests. This ensures that test scenarios are both comprehensive and realistic. Integration with other tools. Silk Central integrates with other testing tools like Silk Test, Jenkins, and various CI/CD systems. This provides a seamless workflow for teams using a diverse toolchain. Defect tracking integration. Silk Central integrates with defect tracking systems, such as Jira, enabling testers to create and manage defects directly from within the test case management environment. Reporting and dashboards. Silk Central provides real-time dashboards and detailed reporting capabilities. These insights help teams track test execution progress, coverage, and defects, allowing for better decision-making. Collaboration features. The platform supports team collaboration, allowing multiple users to work together on test cases, share updates, and comment on test results, all in real time. Customizable workflows. Silk Central provides customizable workflows that suit the specific needs of your organization, making it easier to align with your team's processes and strategies. How does OpenText Silk Central integrate with other tools for continuous testing? OpenText Silk Central supports continuous testing by integrating with a wide range of other tools to enhance test management, automation, and reporting capabilities. Here's how it integrates with different tools in the software development lifecycle. Test automation tools. Silk Central integrates with test automation tools like Selenium, Silk Test, UFT, Unified Functional Testing, and others. It helps in managing automated tests, executing them in parallel across different environments, and gathering test results for centralized reporting. CI/CD tools. Silk Central integrates with continuous integration and continuous deployment (CI/CD) tools like Jenkins, TeamCity, Azure DevOps, and Bamboo. This integration enables the automation of test executions as part of the build pipeline, ensuring that tests are executed as soon as code is pushed or built. It allows for seamless management of test cycles alongside the continuous development process. Version control systems. Silk Central supports integration with version control systems such as Git and Subversion, SVN. This ensures that the right versions of test scripts are used during automated testing and that the testing process aligns with the version of the software under development. Test management tools. For advanced test management, Silk Central integrates with other test management tools like Jira. This allows the synchronization of test cases with requirements, issues, and bugs, providing traceability across the development lifecycle. Reporting and analytics tools. Silk Central provides detailed test results and integrates with tools like Jenkins and Bamboo for dashboards. It can also export data to tools like Power BI or Jira to help teams analyze test results and track progress over time. Defect tracking and issue management. Integration with Jira and other bug tracking systems ensures that defects identified during testing are logged and tracked effectively, facilitating faster resolution and better communication across teams. Performance testing. Silk Central also integrates with performance testing tools such as Silk Performer to provide a full spectrum of testing from functional to performance testing within the continuous testing framework. What reporting and analytics capabilities does OpenText Silk Central provide? OpenText Silk Central offers comprehensive reporting and analytics capabilities designed to help organizations track and improve their software testing processes. Some of the key features include customizable dashboards. Silk Central provides configurable dashboards that offer a real-time overview of project status, including test execution progress, defect trends, and more. Users can tailor these dashboards to focus on the most relevant metrics. Detailed reporting. The platform includes a wide range of predefined reports, such as test execution reports, defect analysis reports, and coverage reports. These reports provide detailed insights into test results, defect status, and overall project health. Test execution metrics. It tracks the success or failure of test executions, providing detailed metrics about individual tests, including pass-fail status, time taken, and test execution trends. Defect Analytics. Silk Central offers defect tracking and reporting tools, helping users analyze defect density, severity, and resolution time. This aids in identifying areas of improvement in the testing process. Trend Analysis. Users can analyze trends over time, such as test execution performance, defect resolution times, and test coverage, helping identify potential issues early in the software development life cycle. Test Coverage Reports. Silk Central provides reports that show test coverage across requirements, test cases, and user stories. This helps ensure that all necessary test cases are executed and that requirements are met. Integration with third-party tools. Silk Central integrates with various third-party reporting tools like Power BI and Tableau for advanced data visualization and analysis, enabling users to perform deeper analytics. Export capabilities. Reports and data can be exported into various formats, example PDF, Excel, CSV, for sharing or further analysis. How can you automate test execution with OpenText Silk Central? OpenText Silk Central provides powerful test management and automation capabilities that help teams to streamline and accelerate test execution. Here's how you can automate test execution with Silk Central. Integrate with automation tools. Silk Central allows integration with various test automation tools, including Silk Test, Selenium, and other third-party tools. You can create and manage automated test scripts using these tools and integrate them into Silk Central for centralized execution and reporting. Define test execution plans. Create test execution plans in Silk Central, where you can define which tests to run, the schedule for running them, and the environments in which to execute them. Test execution plans enable you to automate test runs on a specific set of tests without manual intervention. Set up test execution triggers. Silk Central can trigger automated test executions based on various conditions, such as after a new build or deployment, continuous integration, on a specific time schedule, based on changes in the test repository. This helps ensure that tests are automatically executed at the right time in the SDLC. Parallel test execution. Silk Central supports parallel test execution, which allows you to execute multiple tests simultaneously across different environments or configurations, reducing overall test cycle time. This can be particularly useful when running large test suites or testing multiple versions of an application. Run tests in the cloud or on-premises. You can configure Silk Central to run automated tests either on your local infrastructure or in the cloud. This flexibility enables testing across different environments without manual setup. View test results. Once the tests are executed, Silk Central automatically collects the results, including logs, screenshots, and other artifacts. These results are centralized, making it easy to analyze and track defects, trends, and test coverage. Integration with CI/CD pipelines. Silk Central can be integrated into your continuous integration and delivery (CI/CD) pipelines. This allows for automated test execution as part of the build and deployment process. For example, you can integrate it with Jenkins, Bamboo, or TeamCity to trigger tests automatically as part of your CI/CD flow. Reporting and analytics. Silk Central provides advanced reporting features to analyze test execution results. You can set up automated reports, track test performance, and measure test coverage, allowing teams to make data-driven decisions about their test strategies. What best practices should be followed for test planning in OpenText Silk Central? For effective test planning in OpenText Silk Central, it's important to adhere to best practices that ensure streamlined, efficient, and scalable testing processes. Here are some best practices. 1. Define clear testing objectives. Test goals. Clearly define what you aim to achieve with each test cycle, such as verifying specific features, performance, security, or integration. Test scope. Determine which parts of the application will be tested and which will be excluded. Ensure alignment with project objectives. 2. Establish test environments. Set up and maintain consistent and stable test environments. This includes selecting hardware, OS, databases, and network configurations. Use virtual environments when possible to mimic production environments for real-world testing scenarios. 3. Organize and categorize test cases. Test case prioritization. Prioritize test cases based on risk, complexity, and business impact. Focus on high-risk areas, integrations, and key functionalities. Reusable test scripts. Create reusable test cases that can be executed across different environments and test cycles. Automated versus manual testing. Identify which tests can be automated for efficiency, regression, smoke tests, etc., and which should remain manual, exploratory testing, usability tests. 4. Utilize traceability. Link requirements to test cases. Establish traceability between the requirements, test cases, and defects. This ensures that all requirements are covered and tests are aligned with business needs. Use requirements management tools integrated with Silk Central to trace test coverage. 5. Incorporate test data management. Prepare diverse and representative test data to ensure comprehensive testing. Silk Central can integrate with external data sources, making it easier to manage and control test data. Ensure that sensitive data is masked or anonymized where necessary, especially in compliance-focused environments. 6. Collaborate and communicate. Encourage collaboration between testers, developers, and product owners to ensure shared understanding of requirements and goals. Regularly communicate progress, issues, and findings throughout the test cycle to all stakeholders. 7. Leverage automation. Utilize automated test execution where applicable to improve test speed, consistency, and coverage, especially for regression and repetitive tests. Silk Central integrates well with automated testing tools like Silk Test and other CI/CD tools for continuous testing. 8. Monitor and track progress. Use dashboards and reports in Silk Central to track test execution, pass-fail rates, and defect statuses. Monitor progress in real time and identify bottlenecks or risks early on. Implement continuous monitoring throughout the test cycle to adjust focus areas as required. 9. Defect management. Integrate defect management workflows into the test planning process. This ensures that defects are tracked, assigned, and resolved in a timely manner. Why choose Proexcellency for OpenText Silk Central online training? Choosing Proexcellency for OpenText Silk Central online training can offer several benefits. Expert instructors. Proexcellency typically employs highly experienced trainers who specialize in OpenText Silk Central, ensuring you get top-notch guidance and insights throughout the training. Comprehensive curriculum. Their training programs often cover both the fundamental and advanced aspects of Silk Central, including test management, automation, and integration, which can be crucial for a well-rounded understanding. Hands-on learning. Proexcellency emphasizes practical learning, which helps participants apply the concepts in real-world scenarios. This hands-on approach is vital for mastering Silk Central's features. Flexible scheduling. As an online provider, they likely offer flexible training schedules to accommodate different time zones, making it easier for participants to learn at their convenience. Certification support. If certification is important to you, Proexcellency might provide guidance or prep materials to help you successfully pass certification exams related to OpenText Silk Central. Cost-effective. Proexcellency often offers competitive pricing for their courses, giving you a high-quality education without breaking the bank. Continuous support. Ongoing support during and after the course can be a significant advantage, allowing you to clarify doubts and further enhance your understanding. Thank you.